Hey, it's Kat here. Welcome back. Today we are going to be making this gorgeous little simple crochet Easter basket. You'll need some 5mm braided cord. I have the colour vanilla in bobbiny cord here, and a 10mm crochet hook. Because this is so thick and chunky, it will work up really quickly, so let's get started. First of all, you're going to be making a magic circle. I'm just going to pop this onto my wool genie, which I'll also link below. So we're going to start by making a magic circle. So we're going to wrap our yarn around like this, and then hold with our little finger and thumb, and then take the hook, go through under these two, yarn over, pull through under both of those two, and then you're going to go over these two and grab that same piece of yarn and pull through. And there you have your magic circle. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This counts as 1 stitch. So we just need to then double crochet. So yarn over into the circle. Then yarn over, pop the hook into the circle, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and then pull through the next 2. So you have 1 more double crochet. I'm going to do that again. Yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through the next 2. So because we want 10 of these, we're going to do another 7. So yarn over, go under, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so this is going to be the base of our basket. I'm now going to just pull on this tail to close this gap, and that should close quite easily. There we go. And now to completely close the circle, we're going to slip stitch into the top of the first stitch that we made. So the top of these 3, there's 3 stitches here. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to go into this one. So pop your hook into the top, pull through, and then pull through this one. There we go. So that's your starting circle. That's the middle of the base of your basket. And now we're going to go round. In round 2, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to, in every stitch around, we should have 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. So we're going to work 2 stitches in each stitch around. So that will make up 20 stitches in total. So in this kind of gap here, I'm going to do the first one. So this counts as a stitch, and we're going to do just the same as we did before, the double crochets all the way around, 2 in each stitch. Can be a bit tricky, that first one, but once you've got that, you'll be absolutely fine. So that's 2, and then we're going to go into this next stitch here, 3, 4, and we should end up with 20 stitches at the end of this. 5, so 6 is in the same stitch as 5, so every 2 stitches are going into 1 stitch. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 7 and 8 in this one. and then 9 and 10 in the next one. Now this is going to be half way round your circle in round 2. Okay, so it should be about halfway round, and then we have 5 stitches left. So 11 and 12 are going in, 11, 12, 16, and there should be 2 more stitches that we can put 4 more stitches into, and 20. There we are. And as you're doing this, you can kind of curve up the shape of this because it's going to be going into a bowl shape, so you can curve it up as you're doing it. And then when you come round to stitch 1 again, we are going to do another slip stitch into this top loop here. So I'm going to grab the yarn, pull, and then pull through again. Okay. Now we're going to chain 1, and all we're going to do from here is single crochet in this round, and we're going to single crochet 1 and then 2 in the next stitch. So we're going to go single crochet 1, in the next stitch we're going to single crochet 2. Okay, and then 1, and then 2. This is increasing your circle. So 2 in the same stitch. The bowl is taking shape. So we should now have 30 stitches in total, and we're going to pop our crochet hook through this last stitch and pull through for a slip stitch. And all you want to do now is single crochet all the way around for 4 more rounds, and you are not going to slip stitch, join or anything like that. So I'll meet you back here when you have done single crochets like this all the way around for 4 more rounds, or until your basket is as high as you would like. Now we've come to the end of our 5 rounds. Your basket should look a little bit like this. I'm going to weave this in a minute because it's really annoying me. All we're going to do to add a rim to the basket is do slip stitches all the way around, so 30 slip stitches. I'm going to go in with my hook and pull through, and instead of yarning over again, I'm going to just pull that same loop through the other loop, and that kind of makes a nice lip all the way around the basket. So doing this all the way around, just like this, and these are going to be excellent for my 2 girls to go Easter egg hunting this year. See, that's kind of creating a nice lip all the way around. Kind of makes it a little bit more sturdy as well. So I'll meet you back here when you've done 30 stitches around. Alright, so now we're back to the start. We've done 30 slip stitches all the way around, and you'll know when you're back to the start because you can't really go in anymore. And we're not even going to worry about joining, we're just going to now go on to the handle. So the handle is going to be directly joined to the basket. Okay, so now we are going to go back on ourselves with some double crochet stitches into the 5th chain from the hook. I'm going to double crochet, so yarn over and go in. So that's our first 2. And we're going to do this all the way along the row. So the last stitch in our basket handle is going to be this little one here. So we're going to just pop that one in there, the first one we did, and pull that through. Okay, and all that's left to do now is to sew this part. So I'm just going to cut a little bit, about a ruler's length, and then I'm going to fasten off that end. And then all I'm going to do is take a darning needle, pop that on the needle, and then just neatly sew just like that, and then up through here. I'm just kind of going into anywhere that looks good, and it's going to be nice and neat. And I think that's the last one here. Oops. It's really satisfying as well. Ooh, there we go. Oh, that's nice and neat. There we go. And then I'm going to kind of weave it in so it's on the inside of the basket, so you'd never know it wasn't attached in the first place. Wonderful. Just getting a more precise hook to kind of weave this in. And then you can do a little chop chop. Excellent. And then all you need to do is pop this over and do the same thing on the other side. You can chop this bit off now because you're not worried about that. Oh, wonderful. You just need to make sure that these are the same on each side. So you're going to count around. So you have 4 stitches around here, like at the base of here, and you have 30 stitches in total. So if you're going to take away 4, that means there'll be 4 on the other side. That means that there'll be 13 stitches around each part. So you just got to count around 13. So where that 13th stitch is where you're going to be sewing the next one on. We mark it here and then do exactly what you did for the last one. Okay, and you can even, if you want to, tie those together. Fantastic. And then chop and chop. Wonderful. If you like this video, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. I bring out videos like this all the time, and I would love you to be part of the community. I'll see you in this next video where I do a similar thing with the same yarn, but I'm making a different type of basket. See you there.